Welcome to our apartment! Welcome to our apartment. So this is the entryway. We just have our trash can and recycling, and then we have our lovely kitchen.
So this is where we keep some of our food, some of our snacks. We have a little fruit basket, some pumpkin pie, apple cider donuts. This is where we have like all our sweet treats and stuff.
Okay, so this is the main part of our kitchen. The apartment came with a microwave and an oven, but we brought air fryer, toaster, we have a blender, and then some more snacks, coffee machine, and then if you go over here, we've got just some little miscellaneous stuff. Yeah, another blender because we like to use a blender a lot.
This is our sink where we do all our dishes. Dish rack, fancy ice cube maker Sarah got. Have some more cabinets, our lovely cutlery, and then beautiful fridge and freezer. We have our little fluff ball. So right across from our kitchen is our lovely living room. We have some bar stools seated at the table, which is really nice, so we can eat dinner and like chit chat. And then in our living room, we have this lovely carpet that came from my dorm. And then we have this table that just has some fall decor, which is really cute. And then we have our lovely couch with some cute throw pillows. We have some Taylor Swift inspired posters. Right next to the couch, we have some paper towels that we don't like people seeing, but they're there. And then we have two chairs that the apartment came with and just some fall decor on them. And then we have our little table with some candies, tissues, our lovely plant, which I don't think I've named yet.
Sage.
And then, oh, sage, just kidding. And then our candle, and then the lovely view of another building and the sidewalk. And then we also have some blankets, some candy, and then we also have this, which just has some games. We love playing Uno. I did win last night, so, you know. And then we have our TV, which we love watching Gilmore Girls on. And then we have a little ottoman. And if we take you this way, Riley can show you her room.
Come to my room. Welcome to my room. I'm Riley. Come on in. So I have some posters. I have a Taylor Swift one too, Getaway Car, Queen, and Audrey Hepburn. And I love cheetah print, if you can't tell. So I have that cheetah print. Take many naps here, probably like 4 a day. You can ask Sarah. And then we have to go behind here. I have Divine Feminine. It's my favorite album ever. My boyfriend got me this limited edition vinyl, so I have to hang that up. Then I have these books, not because I enjoy reading kids' books, but because I do enjoy reading them because I'm an education major for elementary schoolers. I have my perfumes, Ariana Grande, my hat. These are the things that my grandma got me. Life is what you make it. Then I have this broken drawer, won't open. Oh, fixed it, I guess. This is where I do my makeup, my hair. Kind of boring. My closet has a crack in it like Sarah's does, which is so nice. Just love that. Then my little side table. Candle smells really good in here. Wish you could smell it. And that's my room. Now to Haley's room.
So this is my room. I'm Haley. Hi. This is my room. Yeah. So you walk in and immediately you see this little dresser. That's just like all my jeans and pants. And then my jewelry box, and then a little picture that my sister made for me. And then over here is my TV, some flowers my boyfriend gave me, and a monkey he gave me. And then just a little wall of a bunch of random memories. And then I made that in high school. I don't know, and I just like it, and I've always had it in my room. And then over here are just some decor, and then my bed, she's very comfy. And then my side table, charger, lamp, a little basket full of night things, you know, medicine, everything like that. Over here, I just got some random shelves, little corkboard of pictures. My desk, this is full of a lot of things, makeup, hair things, nail things. And then, yeah, my mom gave me this. These are all my siblings. I have a lot of siblings. Okay, and then this is my closet. She's very messy and she's very full. We won't talk about her. But we'll go to our mine and Riley's bathroom next. Here's our bathroom.
So here's our sinks. And then we have these little cabinets. There's just some stuff in there. And then we have our little setup here. This is my sink and this is Haley's sink. And then in here is our itty bitty little shower.
This is just full of random like tampons, lady things and stuff like that. Our lovely toilet. And then if you come over here, I don't know if you can see our prints. They're beautiful. They match our theme. And then here's our shower. I don't know if you want to see the inside of it, but in case you do, here's the inside of her. She's nothing special.
So that's our side of the apartment.
So let's go over to Sarah and Alyssa's side.
Hey guys, so this is Sara and I's side. First we have the back of the door, which is where we have like our scarves and like winter clothes and jackets and some tote bags my sorority sisters and I painted. And then behind the door is our rooms. But first over here we have our little like cleaning closet. Not fun. So anyways, let's get into the good stuff. Here's my room. I painted all these cute letters for my roommates and I. Welcome! As you can tell, I love the color pink. Over here we have like all my hair stuff and my jewelry, and I keep my keys there and my clock. And then my dad installed these shelves just to keep stuff in. Here's my little desk. All my makeup and school supplies. And then this mirror I actually got at an antique festival. So yeah, she's super cutie. And then these posters I got on Amazon. Here's my cute bed. And then those letters I actually painted myself. I got them at Michael's. My little nightstand, air purifier, all my cutie stuff. And then here's my closet. Not that messy, but we have my laundry, snacks, school stuff. And then the other side we just have like clothes. Not super fun. And then over here we have some other shelves. We have Jesus, of course. Gotta love him. Got my little cowboy hats and my trash backpack. Here's my TV, more stuff with clothes. And then on the back of my door, I just have like all my little fanny bags, my purse, tote bag, and some hats. And then this was actually white, but I painted it gold. And then that little poster, my Gigi Big and my sorority gave me. So yeah, now off to Sara's room.
So, right outside my room, we have our little breaker box, which I'm not 100% sure how to use, but you know, we'll learn one day, but that day is not today. So here's my room. Of course, I have my little letter and the inside of my room. However, I did just film a room tour, so you should totally check that out. The link will be in the description. So let's go to our bathroom.
This is our vanity.
Okay, so first off, I have these acrylic shelves. This just has like my daily skincare and like my scents, deodorant, perfume, all that fun stuff. And then this I got at Home Goods, but I painted the rim gold, so it'd be cute. My little hot pink hand towels, and then our soap, floss, Q-tips. This is all like my stuff in it. And then down here is kind of a mess, but I have like these like pull-out trays and whatnot. And then just my medicine cabinet. And then next to Sara's side.
So this is my side. I just have some hair ties, soap, mouthwash, dental floss, my retainer, which is super cute, and my toothbrush. And then on this side, I just have some random stuff, toothpaste, vitamins, fun stuff. And then underneath, it's not very organized, so please don't come at me, but I just have random junk down there. And then we have matching little rugs, which we love because they're very comfy. Okay, and then in here, don't mind the dripping water. We've had maintenance come here 3 times and they have not fixed it, so just ignore the dripping water. But this is our bathroom.
So here's our bathroom. First we have this cute little cart with all of our girly essentials and needs. We have our baby trash can, our little other stuff, the necessities for a bathroom. Cute little hanging eucalyptus that was from my dorm last year. And then we had to get Margot Robbie in here, of course, because we love pink. Little hand towels. We have our So Clean mat, so cute. And then we have our cutie little shower curtain as well.
So that's our apartment. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!